Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your girl Desenta who loves things all on sale, and on this channel we talk about all things that do not break the bank. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you definitely want to tune into this video. So come on in. All right guys, if this is your first time here, welcome. If this is not, y'all make room for the new people, okay? Let them come to the front row, okay? Let them come to the front row. All right, so in today's video I am talking about how to look expensive. Now I'm making this a whole series here because you guys are loving these type of videos, so I decided to just go ahead and make it a series here. So we're gonna focus on jewelry on this video. So I am about to go shopping. I've told you guys before in a previous video that I am trying to get more into accessories. I feel like accessories now can make or break an outfit, or it can add like a pizzazz to your outfit. I'm finally noticing this. Like, I can accessorize with like belts. But I wasn't like a big fan of like earrings or like necklaces, jewelry. Like, I just put these on because I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to elevate this jumpsuit that I have on. So this is the watch that I showed you guys on my Instagram. If you're following me on my Instagram, make sure if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure that you're doing that. This is the watch that I seen from Alicia, what's her name? Aaliyah video. She said that it was like a dupe for a Cartier watch. But y'all, I love this watch. I'm not really a watch person, but y'all, I purchased this on Amazon, and y'all, this has just been clutch. And these bangles are from Shein. So like y'all see, like I have on this jumpsuit here. And it's just a regular jumpsuit, right? I don't have any jewelry on or anything of that sort. So I'm gonna take this. I got this from TJ Maxx, and I think this was like $14 maybe. And then I'm gonna take this and, oh gosh, okay, yeah, okay. So I'm going to put this on here. And it kind of drops, so it looks, it almost, okay, hold on, let me make sure it's, hold on y'all, this is not going through. All right. All right, I think I have it now. Let's see, let's make sure, okay, yeah. So as you can see, I have like the 3 layers of jewelry here. If I want, I could do another layer. I have this that I purchased from TJ Maxx as well. Their jewelry is really good. Looking for affordable prices, but you're also looking for pieces that you're gonna keep for a very long time. I've had this necklace from TJ Maxx for maybe over a year now, and it has not changed colors or anything. So I'm willing to pay $14.99 for jewelry that's not going to turn or mess up my neck, because that is really why, y'all, I do not wear a lot of jewelry, because listen, I have no time for, you know what, I think this already has this type. Yeah, I have no time for jewelry to like mess up my neck or anything, because I have sensitive skin, so I'm always cautious of like what I am putting on. So yeah, y'all, I just layered this. I just did my makeup too. And then these bangles right here. These bangles right here, I got these from Shein. They have been coming into clutch here. I don't know what's going on with this one, so I'll just move that one to the wayside. Layer it with these. Okay, I think I can fit one. Maybe I'll do, yeah, I remember my jewelry, my jewelry box, my travel jewelry box from Shein. This quality is so good, y'all. Okay, and so this is a necklace that I purchased for Marcus. All right, so I have the necklace where I want it to fall, and so now I am just going to put on some earrings here. I don't remember. I think I actually purchased these earrings from H&M, and y'all, I like their jewelry as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along the way to H&M and also Dillard's, y'all. They have great accessories. Y'all remember my Target because I'm wearing my thing on. I'm just gonna do that. I have on a ring, but y'all, I can't find the rest of them and I have to get out of the house like right now. And then I'm going to show you my final look downstairs with the glasses and purse. So let's just go ahead and do it. Where's Hill? It's the street that he lives in. Used to live on. And so he never wears it, so I'm gonna wear it today. I always wear it. I like, and y'all, these goals are not the same, but it gives them another type of layer. See, you see that? I think I want it up just a little bit, like right there. So yeah, that's the great thing about like jewelry, and especially necklace. Like if you're wearing something with like a low cut, neck cut, you can definitely layer your necklace the way that you want it to hit your neck. So that is one great thing about, oh my God, yeah, I'm sweating. It is hot in here. All right, so this is the outfit here. All right, so you see I have the earrings on, the necklace, and then my accessories. I could probably put on more rings, but I gotta get out of this house. And then, hold on, let me try to. Okay, so this is it. This is my purse that I thrifted. These are my glasses from Amazon. And yeah, I feel like the accessory takes it up. Yeah, I purchased this jumpsuit from TJ Maxx for like $24.99. I feel like you can wear this year round. You can, if you want to put a coat on it, a vest on it, you can. Yeah, so this is the outfit. All right, so let's go shopping for some accessories so we can get you together on how you can look expensive with accessories. All right, let's go. Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys just the trend that's going on with jewelry. I'm seeing a lot of silver and gold being mixed together, and I personally love it. I feel like it adds like to your outfit, like a certain type of interest and texture. And I think it's also a current fashion trend as well. But also just remember that you're styling these pieces with your own personal style and your preference. So sometimes you don't always want to go bold with your accessories. Sometimes you just want a simple look. And I have these right here. I found some of these. I'll list them in the description box below. But I just wanted you guys to see how you could mix and match your jewelry. And so I gave you guys some options here. And I did find some when I went shopping. And I'll show you guys that right now.
your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making on the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna. Ay ay ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho?
All right, y'all. So we're out here, and the first store up is Primark. We're gonna see what kind of jewelry Primark has. So let's do it. All right, I have located the jewelry. Okay, so this is like a bracelet. This is like a necklace that I have, but this kind of looks cheap a little bit. Okay, this one is nice. I like this one. I'm gonna get this one. Let's see what's $3. Oh, it's kind of like a pearl. What do you think about this one? I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I don't have a lot of silver. Oh, these are rings. These are rings. I don't think I have any silver rings. So these are $5.50, the rings. Oh, they have, what are these? Bracelets? What's the E for? My name is not Erica. They do have like the little studs. I think I'm gonna get these, y'all. I hope they don't have no. Why they just can't have regular ones like these? Yeah, no. But they have like these are cute. I don't know where I will wear these from. These are cute. Yeah. I have these in gold, but not like the shiny ones. Okay, we're over here by the clearance. This is kind of cute. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear these at. I don't think. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. So I like this one. The way that this looks is thinner, and this one is thicker. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this one. But I don't have an L, y'all. I don't need an L. And of course, they're not gonna have any in my size. They have an R, but it's not the one. All right, y'all. I am back, and I wanted to show you guys what I purchased on my trip here. I didn't get to go to Dillard's, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you clips on different stores that sell affordable jewelry. So this is from Primark. These are, let me turn this, okay, yeah, okay. I was about to say, okay, so these were $3. These were, I think, $5.50, and they are silver and gold. Silver and gold. And you can't go wrong with gold hoops. These were $2. Y'all, we can see how this turns out. I haven't worn their jewelry yet, so I report back. And then I went to Belk, and these were $4.50. Trying to get some good lighting for y'all. Okay, yeah. Cute. The infinity symbol. And then these were so cute. These were, I think these were $10.50. And I thought these were super cute. So yeah, y'all, that is the end of my haul of the accessories. But I hope that you guys liked the video. Don't forget to comment below which accessories are you liking. Is it more earrings? Is it more necklace? Is it more bracelets? I want to know. And yeah, I will talk with you guys on the next video. Peace.